Welcome to bear country. All right, September 30th, and we just left our campground in Georgia. That was the Cloudland Canyon State Park, which is pretty good. We had a good time there. They had good hiking. Really no complaints. Overnight was fine. It's a little damp. The air's really damp. It's hard to get a fire going. Even paper just kind of, you light it on fire and it just kind of goes out. So it was a little bit of a challenge. Luckily, one of our neighbors helped us out. He had a little propane torch. We got the fire going and stuff, so that was cool. But now we're driving. We're gonna go through Tennessee again, which we've already been through Tennessee. We'll go through there again into North Carolina, into a national forest where we found some primitive camping, hopefully free camping, because we've been paying lately since we've kind of left the West Coast. Or Midwest had some free camping as well, but so far on the East Coast it's been harder to find. But we'll see what we find here in North Carolina. We do have a backup spot as well, I believe. Hopefully it's not too far away from there. So we'll see how it goes. It's about 185 miles, so not too far of a drive. We'll see you guys when we get there. Alright, so we've made it to Ammon's Branch Campground in North Carolina. I'll put the name of the national forest in the video. I don't know how to pronounce it, I apologize. But anyway, yeah, North Carolina, camping in the mountains. Look at this. It's a primitive spot. It's got a little tent, raised tent thing over there. Lantern hook. Pretty rare. It's our first lantern hook of the trip. Got the ring in the ground. We brought a couple pieces of firewood, but we're gonna have to look for some. I guess the only bad thing about this site in particular is we can't drive the truck all the way up here because there's some steps and some rocks that are blocking us. So we're gonna do our cooking and our fire and stuff up here, and then our sleeping right inside. Yeah, we might have a good view of the star. On the ground here. Got our vault toilet over there in good shape, actually, pretty clean. Yeah, I mean, the North Carolina mountains are pretty nice. I'm not gonna say they're super similar to Oregon, because they definitely have their differences and their similarities. I'm getting assaulted by a bee here. Let me get out of the way. But I will say that the North Carolina mountains are quite beautiful. They're quite nice. Just got all the firewood processed for tonight. We got just some smaller pieces tonight. One big piece left over from a bundle we bought a long time ago. And we got one piece that somebody had left at a campsite. And then we had to dig for all those pieces in the surrounding bush here. We got them all broken down, sawed up, and chopped up, and ready to go. All right, got the fire going here. Now, as you can see, I'm having to actually kind of pre-dry some wood on the side because a lot of it is still pretty damp. Luckily, we brought some dry stuff with us. Inga's over here making some supper. It's called supper. We're in the South. We're eating supper, which is tonight a pretty easy one. Top ramen. We just had s'mores, so now it's top ramen. Not our healthiest dinner evening, but an easy one. So, all right, we're making some s'mores. We got some graham crackers, some dandies, vegan marshmallows, Basically marshmallows that don't have gelatin in them. And then we have this Enjoy Life chocolate bars. I got dark for myself. And Inga has the rice milk bar.
Nabisco. The graham crackers that don't have honey in them.
Yeah, Nabisco is the graham crackers with no honey in them, by the way. And she's just toasting the marshmallow. I'll show you the finished product here in a few minutes. Alright, that's what a s'more looks like in the North Carolina mountains.
Gooey goodness.